Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the premium COWSAR Ice Maker and the budget-friendly Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to price, the COWSAR Ice Maker is significantly more expensive at $679, while the Igloo Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option priced at just $89. This price difference raises questions about the value each product offers. In terms of ice production speed, the COWSAR Ice Maker excels by producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, compared to the Igloo's 8 cylinder-shaped cubes in 7 to 8 minutes. This makes the COWSAR a better choice for those who need ice quickly. Both ice makers are designed for portability, but the Igloo model is notably narrower, making it ideal for tight spaces. The COWSAR, while slightly wider, offers a robust build and a self-cleaning feature, appealing to users who prioritize quality and convenience. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and Igloo ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COWSAR offers speed and low noise, while the Igloo provides exceptional value for budget-conscious consumers. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.